Hi there guys, it's Mark Gossage here, bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my Krowd review. Now here we are in the central cloud-based dashboard of Krowd, and as you can see, all and everything is very neatly set out. It's easy to use and it's going to make it a lot easier for you to start generating a load of free traffic. Now, before I explain what it does, how it works, and show you everything in here, I'm going to first go through my bonus page. Now, you can get access to this page at any time during the review. It's easy. All you need to do is just look straight down below the video over there and click on the link, and it's going to bring you to this bonus page with these pink buttons on. These pink buttons will take you through to the Krowd sales page where you can pick Krowd up at any time and claim all your bonuses that are on here. Now let's start going through the bonuses. You're going to get bonus 1, Pinterest Anatomy. Now this is going to show you how to take full advantage of Pinterest and get a load of traffic. It's going to show you how to set your account up properly, how to do your pins, and how to take advantage of Pinterest to the maximum. This is going to get you a load of traffic and it's going to get you more leads and more sales. Bonus 2, we're going to stay with social media, and I'm going to give you my Facebook Groups Unleashed bonus. Now with the latest pandemic, we've got Facebook groups being crowded again. They did go out of fashion for a time, but they're back in and they're a hive of activity right now. This is the place to be as well to get even more traffic. Get known, get traffic. Twitter Profit Hacks is exactly that. This is going to show you how to profit with Twitter. Twitter's easy to use. It's only a few words of text and you're going to get traffic from there. You've got bonus 4, social media automation. Now, whilst you've got these social media accounts, it takes a lot to keep on top of them. So it's automating as many of the tasks possible is paramount. My social media automation bonus is going to show you how to easily automate that social media presence so that you can keep bang up to date and keep your followers sort of glued to your screen, as I say. Keep them interested and keep them looking and wanting more. Now, my next bonus, Email Profits Academy. As everybody knows, it's very important that you build a list. A list is your biggest asset in business. It is really so simple once you've built that list to make sales. Simply click a button, send an email out, and in comes the money. The bigger the list, or the more interested the list as well, the more money that's going to come in. So this is going to show you how to keep your list interested and how to keep your list wanting more. They'll be looking for those emails and they'll be waiting to buy. They'll be waiting for your next email, okay? You've also got the special vendor bonuses, and I've got 5 special vendor bonuses for you that will be waiting in the download area. The vendor is going to give them to you when you buy them through my link, basically. Bonus 1, WordPress Facebook Quiz Creator, which is powerful. This is going to build a quiz in Facebook, okay? You need the plugin in your WordPress site. You need a WordPress site and it'll do that, a quiz creator. You've got bonus 2, it's a 2-step opt-in generator. That's also a plugin, I believe. You've got bonus 3, viral source review pack. So it's a review pack. They're giving you that as well. And then they're giving you bonus 4, an in-content pop-up pro plugin. Okay, so again, you need a WordPress site. And bonus 5 is video focus for your videos. Bonus 5, WordPress plugin. So you're getting 5 massive bonuses there from the vendor themselves as well as my own. And as I say, they'll be waiting for you when you get Krowd today. Right, now we've gone through the bonuses. What we'll do is go back to sales page. Here we are, back in the dashboard where they're meant to go. Now, if we click on dashboard there, we'll make sure we're in the dashboard. We really are on that page, so you know exactly how to get to this page by clicking on dashboard. It should be the page that comes up when you log in. Now, if this is new to you, as it will be, you come here. First thing you need to do is create a new campaign. It's as simple as clicking on that and entering your campaign name. Now, if you've got campaigns already, as you can see here, you'll find that if you type these names in, it won't allow you to have 2 campaigns with the same name. So what we need to do is enter a campaign name that's in your niche, in the niche that you've chosen. So what I'm going to do is I'll type in golf swing, let's say. Campaign name is available. Let's keep it wide so it's easier to do for the first time. Golf. So now we submit that there, and it says, what would you like to do today? Search keyword to display related pins. Well, again, best to keep a niche keyword. Okay, so I'm going to put golf in. We could put golf swing and really drill down, but we'll just keep it wide at the moment. Now, as you can see, it's pulled these pins in from Pinterest. This is Pinterest that you're seeing, and it gets 320 million users per month, Pinterest does. So that's a sort of audience that you're sort of putting your pins in front of, or chance of putting them in front of. Not all 320 million will see them, but they are on a platform that's got 320 million users per month, as I say. Now, here we've got all these to do with golf. You come down, and what they've done is they've got it so that you can see how many likes. There's a heart, 305 on that one. 714, 322, and how many pins, okay? Now, what you need to do, you look down and you find one. The hotter, the better. Now, what I mean by that is the more likes and the amount of times it's been pinned, the better. We can come back up and we can sort by using this button there at the top, sort by pins or likes. Let's do the likes, and we've got one here. It's got nearly 3,000 likes there, so that's a nice one. It is the swing, like I was going to do the golf swing, because I'm not into golf niche, but everybody talks about the swing and the drive, so that's a sort of ideal one. So what we've got to do is we've got to look down, find the ones we like, and as I say, the hotter they are, the better. 3,000 likes and over 2,000 pins. That shows you that that pin is red hot. Same here, you got 800, it's a lot less, but it's still got a lot of likes. Here we go, 328, 10 ladies golf swing tips. Now, if you're into the swing tips, especially for ladies, this will be for you. So what you do is now you click on the add to inspiration button here. You'll see it on the side now here to show that you've got it. Let's look down, beginner golf tips for women. We'll add that, it's got nearly 2,000. And for now 2 will do, okay, but you can add 3 or 4. Now what we need to do is to go next, so we click next. We've got these here, it'll pull them in a minute, and it'll pull these in. These are images. That is it. Up here you've got the options, you've got the image, you've got search image if you want to search for more images, you've got the inspiration, that's the ones that you've pulled in off Pinterest, and you've got a gallery which will give you more images. Now let's have a look. I'll show you the inspiration. As you can see, it's got it here. It does remind you that you cannot use these images because they're copyrighted. So why has it brought it in? Well, what it does, it shows you the exact layout, so you don't have to remember it. It's there, you've got the image, you can see what sort of image they've used, you can see the text they've used, how it's laid out, everything. This shows you what got that pin, the likes, you know, what type of image and what wording, and you've got it here as well. 8 beginner golf tips for women, okay? So that's there. So now if we go over to our images, we're going to look for similar. That's not a lady. There, no, I thought it was them. It's going to be, I bet it's going to be hard to find ladies, but there's one there. So here we go. We've got this one. Let's take that one. We're going to put it in here. By there, just wait for it to load. It's in here. Now, we need the text. So if we go back to the inspiration here, if you see here, we've got this one, 10 ladies golf swing tips. Right. Now what we do is we can click on the text. Oh, nearly done it wrong. And then we've got this here. We drag this out. We double click there as it says, and we can change this text here, okay? So what we do here is we go, let's just do the same, 10 ladies. I'm not going to spend ages formatting it, and, you know, as I say, I've never done this before, so So you can see this dashboard's easy to use. I haven't gone through the training. There is training, and it'll show you to do a lot more than I'm showing you. Now we've got that. Now that looks centered. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to center it. We could have put this text in two different boxes here. We could have done that text box there and there to get even more control. Now that's yellow, that's white. So again, I don't know if you need to do that. Now double click that and put it in again. We'll get rid of that in a minute, you know. Let's hit the left key, and it's deleted that. I guess that was good, wasn't it? As I say, it's so easy to use. It's almost second nature, this is. So now we've got that. We want to change the text to white. So how do we do that? Well, we've got the font here. We can change the text type. So here we'll go in there, and that's changed it like that. If you're happy with that, you leave it as that. You can bold the text. You can italic or underline it. And that gives you that, and we can change the size of the text. As you can see, you can do very small to off screen, it's that big. So you look over there, they didn't have it on the body, maybe we should do it a bit smaller to copy it. Then what you can do is you click back in and you've got it there, okay? And that's centralised. Now we've got that, we can move it anywhere on the screen. Let's just put that there. I'm not saying it's the ideal spot, as I say, it's up to yourselves. Highlight that again, and then if we come up here, there's these here, these slider button things. They don't slide, but it's just a picture of a slider, and in there you've got everything. Because you can see, you can do all this. You can change all your photo or the image, grayscale it makes it look black and white. You can give it sepia, you can emboss it, you can do what you want with it there. You've got the threshold, the brightness, so we can brighten it up a bit. Can darken it down a bit. It don't seem to be doing much, but it does do a little. You can add more noise. You can see it's only slight, but you've got to go from the max to the minimum, okay? Threshold, not sure what that is. Not sure what that does. It don't seem to be. So you can pixelate it, so let's put that to the max. Don't seem to be doing too much. I probably haven't got that properly. You can tint it. It's like an overlay. You can multiply it, or blend as it calls it, okay? So it's giving you some options there to play about with it. You've got more options up here. Let's just see. Mask, okay, that's a mask. That's for more text. You've got the colour here. If we want to change that text, I'll probably have to click in to change it, I believe. Let's see what happens if I don't. Yep, that's for when you start. So I've got to click in or highlight it, hit on the colour, let's make it white, okay, yeah, and that's gone white. As I say, you can do a lot with this text, move it round to where you want. You might want to put it up there or at the bottom, wherever you want. Now, once you've done this, you've got that image, it's done, it's ready. All you do is save that. You can publish it or you can save it. I've saved that image, let's click on publish, and that's uploading the image, and it's going in to your dashboard. Now, what you do here is giving you the option to enter a description. You know, if you want the best ladies golf tips, and you'd put more in. I'm only putting that in for now. This, you know, I'm only demonstrating, but you can put up to 500 characters. You've used 37, so you can put a lot more in there. And your destination link. Now, you can put your link into your affiliate offer, to your blog, or whatever. Me, I would have a blog or a website where I'd take them to, so it would be https:// and then you'd have something like ladies golf. Oops, I'm spelling it all wrong because I'm not watching. Ladies golf tips, let's say .com. Yeah. Now that's not my site, so I'm going to take that out before I do. But you put something like that in, so that when people come here, they're going to click on that link to find out more. They're going to come to your blog or your website or wherever that link takes them. I am going to take that out for now. It's not. It isn't my domain. And then you can choose to post later or post now. Right. So you click post now, and it will go up on there to your link, as long as you've added your Pinterest account. That hasn't gone because I haven't got it now. It's once your destination link, it's forcing you to put one in. Actually, I didn't know, so we are going to have to put one in. Let's just call it Ladies Golf. We don't want to be here all day just typing in URLs that don't exist. Click post now, and that's come up. Okay. Now, what's happened is the Pinterest account comes in, you log in, and that's it. Okay. You just log into that. Log in, and then you could click on upload, and that pin would go up there. Okay. You could have typed later, and it would have been put on a timer to go up later. And as long as you're logged in and everything, that would just post and it'd all be done for you. And as you can see, it's here. We can come back to this and we can use it again. So all you need to do is click on the pencil to edit it. So we can come here and edit it further. And that's it, really. It's that easy. There's 320 million users on Pinterest every month, so you've got a good chance on getting this in front of 1,000 or so people if you build up several posts. Don't expect it, if it's a brand new Pinterest account, don't expect it to work wonders on day one. You do have to build it up a little on there, and the bonuses I'll give you are going to show you how. There's also training in here, tutorials and everything. So let's go on to the training tab here. And here they are. There's a load of videos here, training. It's going to give you the proof first. It's a welcome video. You're getting the right way to set up your account. You're getting how to verify your website video, enable rich pins video, and there's more. SEO Pinterest, how to rank your pins. It's, you know, how they rank them, how they rank them. So you'll know how to rank pins. You'll know what they want. You'll know how their algorithm works and everything. Then you've got the 2 techniques they use for 10 minutes to get it up there within 10 minutes. You've got how to find hot niches in Pinterest, practice Pinterest, SEO, case study showing you how it's done, how to optimize your pins or your board where your pins are on, and things like that. I haven't seen them. You need a password for it. I haven't got access to those, but I'm told they're very good training. And once you go through all that, you'll know how to do more than just simply upload your new pin to Pinterest. You'll know how to fully optimize it to give you that maximum chance of your pin going red hot and trending. If you're putting several pins up, there's every chance 1 or 2 are going to get quite a bit of traffic. Okay. Now, some people are going to say, well, I could do that myself. I could go and get that all myself manually without that software. And the truth is you can. You can learn to use, say, Photoshop. You can go and get an image off a free site. You can put it on there. You can learn how to use Photoshop to the maximum. You can edit your image. You can go and get quotes or think of some of your own, put them on, and you can edit them. You can come out, you can upload it, you can put it on Pinterest, you know, resize it, whatever. Of course you can. You can do all this manually, but this software brings it all into one dashboard and makes it so much easier for somebody that wants to use Pinterest as a medium to get traffic. This is ideal. It makes it so much easier. Plus, you get the training as well. You don't get the training with Photoshop. You just get Photoshop and it does your images, okay? So this, yeah, it's going to give you all that. Now, as well as that training, you get tutorials as well on the software. So if you do need it, you can go through this. It'll show you how to create the campaign, how I have. It'll go over it better than I have. As I say, first time in the dashboard, how to edit the image. I've gone through it quickly. There is a bit more than I've shown you, as you can see, and now I'll explain it that little bit better. And if you do need to refer, those videos are there for you to refer back to easily. Now, as I said earlier, you could do this manually. It'll probably take you a lot longer. This brings it all into that one central dashboard. It makes it so easy. You get your pins, you bring them in, you can refer to them, you make your new pin and you upload it to your account. It's so much easier. As for the pricing, we'll come over and we'll take a look on the bonus page, because if we go to the top of the page, you're going to see that I've put a little bit about this software in there to tell you what everything's about. I've put down the prices and I've told you roughly what you're getting. So basically the front end of this cloud-based software is there. I've got to put the price in yet. It is up there, $17. It's all it's going to take. The price will be rising, so the sooner you get there, the sooner you get it, the cheaper you're going to get it for. $17 is going to allow you 150 searches per month, so there is a limit on the searches. You're going to be able to extract 150, emulate and post to Pinterest monthly. It's going to let you do 5 per day, okay? There is limits, so make sure you understand that. You best come to my bonus page and read through them. You can search for high traffic pins, and then it's saying extract the pins, do all that, do the titles, the description, add the tags that the high traffic uses, and all of that. So it's going to be easy to create pins that are set up ready for high traffic. Basically, your quotes you can share it on Pinterest manually, you can share manually on Facebook and Twitter as well. So once you've done it, you can add it to Facebook and Twitter manually, okay? So my training again with Facebook and Twitter is going to show you how to get the maximum out of this. You've got one time offer one, which is the same features it's saying. It's priced at $67, but it's going to give you more free traffic, or potentially more free traffic. It's going to give you more searches per month, okay? It's going to allow you to do a lot more, and it's going to give you a spinner that spins the description and the tags and the titles, so you're getting a spinning option, okay? Not so sure about that. I think you can do that. A lot of people don't need a spinner, but yet 450 searches to 150. So if you are going to be active, if you are going to really go through it, $67, one time offer one is well worth the money. One time offer two, that's the Stampede. That's priced at $37, and it's going to give you more searches, you know, more extracts. It's going to give you more of everything, and it's going to give you the spinner again, and it's going to have automation added in it, saying here where it'll extract the titles, the descriptions, and the tags to choose from, and you'll also have automation to schedule it on Pinterest. This is a huge, it's saying, hands-on operations and scalability, which is true. It means you can go in there, spend the day or a few hours, bang out a load, put them on there, schedule them, come out, and you're done for the week or the month. It's just going to go bing, bing, send a couple out, or, you know, a few more, all on autopilot. So if you want it easy, that's the one for you. You can do it, spend a day and take a holiday sort of thing. One time offer four is the agency. That's a reseller package. That's priced at only $47, and that's giving you the reseller package. That sounds a very fair price for this software. Then you've got the Krowd 7-day to 1K, priced at $197, and that is a tutorial with done for you products. The products are already done, and it's saying that all you need to do is fill in the blanks, generate and give away high quality pre-configured products, and each product becomes unique to the user after filling in the blanks. Okay, so they're saying that the product becomes yours, and it's yours to sell or yours to profit from. Okay, and that's it really. One time offer $597. It all sounds very good. So that's brilliant. As I say, all you've got to do is click on the link below the video, right down over there, and you'll be brought to this bonus page where you can check it out. You can check my bonuses out. You can check the pricing out. You can read through this again. There is another demo video that the vendor's done, so that'll show you similar to what I've done. Probably in a lot more understandable way. They've got better knowledge of the system. And as I say, all you need to do to secure your bonuses and those extra vendor bonuses that I've put in is click on any of these pink buttons as you're coming down the bonus page. The light up, well, the stand out, the pink buttons. So yeah, or where it says the black text here, click on there. That will take you to the sales page where you can purchase access. So that's about it really. You're going to get all this for $17 or a little bit more if you go on later, okay? Because as I said, the price is rising. It's a fantastic deal for anybody that wants to take advantage of the Pinterest platform. So that's hilarious. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you understood it. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.